Ok, bueno, ¿dónde estoy? Aquí estoy. Hola, otra vez. Hello, I'm YAMA from Spanish Language Solutions and local pro. That's how the class today got today with the review game that we had. So, what's the review game that we had today? Okay, let's move this way. It's called Marker Wars. Marker Wars is it's a game that I don't know if you guys have played before for review or whatever it is, but it really works really well for me. First of all, the way it works is first you write the vocab. You can see the vocab, and you write the vocab that you want to use on both sides of a piece of paper, and then you make copies. Okay, so for example, if you have 120 kids, you make 60 copies. Okay, then the moment you have class, you get all the kids. Okay, you tell them, hey, choose a partner. So they'll get with their partners. They'll sit next to each other. They don't know what's going on, and then you hand out one of these papers. One of these papers per person. I mean, not per person, but per group. And then you basically tell them the way it works. Oh, and you give them markers. That's the word marker war. And you make sure that every student has one. And then you tell them the way it works is I'm going to say a word in Spanish, and you are going to find it in. I'm going to say a word in English, and you're going to find it in Spanish on this paper. And the first one to mark it gets a point. So it's always going to be best out of 5. Okay, so once you do 5 words, the one that got the best score out of that wins that round. The winners get to stay on their seat, and the losers, they have to rotate out. Okay, so that the winners are always, they get the privilege of sitting down, of sitting. Okay. Also, it was really fun. And that's what we did today for review. Oh, and one of the things is, so you do one round, you'll do one round, 5 words here, and then you'll do a second round, 5 words here, and just kind of flip it a little bit. And then after you do, I don't know, 5 rounds or 3 rounds, you can do the Invictus, the people that haven't lost, they go up against each other until you have one Invictus, one person that has not lost. And then after that, time permitting, you go up against the last person that hasn't lost. Okay, that's like the ultimate level, right? And you see right here, you really see it? This is how the person I beat, the last Invictus person, how I beat them, this is how they reacted. Okay, I told them, oh, I'm like the Predator, my blood is green, right? Anyway, so it was really fun, it was really crazy, it got really loud. I had teachers from like 2 doors down come up and tell me, hey, are you okay? And I was like, yeah. It's like, oh, we're just having fun. Okay. Anyway, so this is what we did today for review for the final. And that's it. I just wanted to make a quick video for this. Remember to like it, if press like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments or any suggestions, please do so. Write them down. Well, with that said, I'll see you when I see you. Ciao.